Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Aramex account. Keep watching the video till the end. In case if you have not installed the application on your device, you need to install the application first. To download your Aramex application on your iPhone, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. Since we are about to download the application on iPhone, you need to open the App Store on your device. Before downloading the application, let me give you some information about Aramex application. Aramex is an application that gives you experience about speed and reliability of transfer of products. With a focus on timely deliveries and exceptional service, it ensures that your urgent shipments reach their destination swiftly and securely. It also offers comprehensive freight forwarding services, effectively managing the complexity of international shipping. The expertise in freight forwarding ensures that your goods are transported efficiently, safely, and in compliance with all the regulations. As the trusted logistics company, Aramex provides end-to-end logistics solutions that streamline your supply chain. From warehousing and distribution to last-mile delivery, Aramex integrated services are designed to optimize your logistic operations and drive business success. You can find this application on Android device and iOS or iPhone as well. Now, once you open your App Store, on the search box at the top, type in Aramex and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on Get option right next to the application to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Aramex application on your device. The official page of Aramex application will appear on the screen. Swipe the screen to the left side and tap on Get Started option. Select your country and enter your mobile number, then tap on Go. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter a verification code sent to your phone number and click on Verify and Proceed. On the next page, enter your email address, create a password for your Aramex account and confirm your password by re-entering it, then tap on Submit. Tick mark on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of Aramex account. You can also tick mark on the second box to receive marketing emails from Aramex. This is how you can sign up for your Aramex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more videos for your convenience. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our next tutorial on these videos. Join the community by subscribing for weekly tutorials like this one. Lastly, if this video has helped you, be sure to give a like and share it with your friend who might also need this information. Thank you so much for watching.